Hi dear students, in this class we are discussing the KCET previous year questions and answers. So from 2014 to 2025. So I hope I have completed two class already. So 2014 to 2025. So in this class we are discussing the relations and functions. So it includes PU1 also PU2. So you should know the chapter basics, whatever the chapter basics are there, that is Cartesian product, order pair, first order pair, then Cartesian product, then after that relation is subset of Cartesian product, and after that function, every element of first set has a one and only element in a second set, and after that types of functions means what, whatever the types are there, one and on to. I hope you should complete the theory classes, then come to this all the questions one and types of relations, reflexive, symmetric, transitive. What is the meaning of reflexive? It is related to itself. Symmetric, if A related to B, then B has to be related to A. Transitive, A related to B, B related to C, then A has to be related to C. You have to remember these all things. And one more formula is there, that is number of functions. So what is the number of functions you should remember? So number of functions I will write here, just copy down. So how many numbers are possible and what are the cases are there, we will discuss one by one. So first see the number of functions, how many numbers are possible. There are three cases. If set A contain m elements and set B contains n elements, n of B, n of A, then there are three cases: m is equal to n, m greater than n, and m less than n. So how many total functions? One functions and onto functions and bijective function. Clear? So you should remember the total number of function is n to the power m. If the function is from A to B, function is mapping from A to B, number of one functions and number of onto functions and bijective function, we'll see one by one. So here, if m is equal to n, n to the power n, one function n or m factorial, n or m factorial. So when it is n equal to n, then only bijective function is possible, and both one and onto also, in this case only possibility is there. If m is greater than n, so here also same, n to the power m, n to the power m. If first set is more than one element, for example 1 to 1, so here 1 is not possible. Yes or no? So 1 means 0. And what about onto? Here grouping element is there. If the second set contains only two elements, b2, n of a is m, you have to use the formula 2 to the power m minus 2. You have to remember this one. If the second set contains only two elements, and budget function 0, here also 0. If m is less than n, m is less than n means what? So first set is lesser than second set, 1 1 2. Here on 2 is not possible because 2 is remaining in the set, range is not equal to codomain. So and what about the 1 formula? You have to remember n p m formula. You should remember this box, then you can answer any one number of function onto either 1 or total number of functions. Okay, I will start with the 2025 question number 58. They have given f function, that is sin x, in the interval 0 to 5 by 2, and g of x cos x, and in the interval set of real numbers, and they are saying f and g are real to real, sin x z to g is also mapping from real 0 to 5 by 2, f is also mapping from 0 to 5 by 2 domain. So it means domain is only this much, sin x, this is sin x 5 by 2, 0 to 5 by 2. And what about cos x? This is 0 to 5 by 2, this is cos x. And what is the statement 1? The statement 1, f and g are 1 yes, obviously. So function is 1 draw parallel to x-axis, cuts only one time, hence it is a 1 function. And f plus z is 1 it is totally false, because sin x plus cos x will get a different graph. Sin x plus cos x, it is not increasing, not It means neither increasing nor decreasing. So it is a nth function. Because of that, so this function is not 1 1, because so many values are there common. Sin pi by 4, cos pi by 4 are same value. So we'll get different value. Now at pi by 4 it has a two values. At x equal to pi by 4 it has a two common value. What are those? Sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4. If I change the values again, we'll get a same image. So this is not a 1 1. So statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is false. So option A is correct. And question number 52, using ABC, then the number of equivalence relation A containing BC. This is also very easiest. How it is easiest? So if containing ABC, A comma B, so A comma A, it's reflects जो आवे B comma B, C comma C, and using BC, then BC CB. This is one possibility, and we can make another relation also now. That is another possibility. It means what? Equivalence relation there, then you should consider two relation, that is containing same element, including that AB and BA, and again A is there. So many like that. So you can use this also, BC and CA. BC and CA, you can use that also, BC and CA. Then BA has to be there. So this is also another relation. Number of relation is 2. And they are asking domain of the function in the denominator. You should watch that wavy curve method. So if denominator may request means yeah, denominator factors are there. If in the denominator, then x minus 2, x minus 5 should be greater than 0. Use wavy curve. 2 and 5 both are open, and powers are 1 1 odd, plus minus plus. I hope you watched the that wavy curve method. You should be. And now greater than means only this interval, positive interval, minus infinity to 2 union pi to infinity. This is also open, this is also open, because it is open interval. Minus infinity to 2 pi to infinity. Option B is correct. I hope 56, 57, 58 are clear. These are 2025 question. And now question number 55. Question number 55 is, two finite sets have m and n elements. The total number of subset of first set is 56 more than second set. Okay, the number of subset of first set is 56 more than second set. Then trial and error, n and m. So here they have given m and n. So it is 2 to the power m, and it is 2 to the power m. 2 to the power m plus 2 to the power minus n is equal to 56 ಬರಬೇಕಾ. Then use a trial and error, 7 6. 2 to the power 7 is 128, minus 2 to the power 6, it is 64. It may be equal to 56, no. 5 and 1, not possible. 5 32 minus 1, it is also not possible. And what about 6 and 3? 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 3, it means 64 minus 8, it is possible. Then option C is correct. Trial and error. Let A be a 2, 3 up to element 18 are there, and they have given AB is related to CD if and only if AD equal to BC. It means AD is equal to BC, and for all ABCD in A cross A, then the number of order pair of the equivalence class of 3 2. Equivalence class of 3 2 means what? 3x equal to 2y. I hope 3x equal to 2y. You have to remember, sorry, equivalence class means 3x. They have given this one, sorry, 3 2 is related to xy. It means 3y is equal to 2x. You have to remember this one. So how many order pairs are possible for this one? The first element is 3 2, and second element is 6 4, and third is 9 6, and 12 8, and 15 10, and 18 12. So these are the order pair up to 18. It means, sir, what is this? 3 into x means 2 into 3. Here 3 first order pair 2, 6 is equal to 6. Second order pair 4 and 6. It means here y value 4, x value 6. 6 2s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Like that, how many order pairs are possible? 1 2 3 4 5 6 are possible. And question number 53, this is also very easiest question. This is the function of function. You should remember here the values or whatever the string are there. So I hope option C is correct. Why option C is correct, sir? Trial and error. So f of x is g of x given sin x, and f of g is given sin root x square. So obviously option which one? C is only correct, na? So f of x is sine square x. Then use that f of g of x, that is sine square root x. So this is correct. And like that g of x also root x square, then it will be x, then that is sine x. I hope it is clear. So option C is correct. And 52, this is the definition of logarithmic. What is logarithmic? You should draw the graph of logarithm function. This point is called 1 0, and e to the power function, this point is 0 comma 1. This is log x. Here the domain of the logarithm function is r, so wrong. Domain of logarithmic is what? 0 to infinity. And the range of the logarithm function is r plus the set of all positive real numbers. No, range is here, no, minus infinity to plus infinity. And what about the point 10 is always on the graph? Yes, it is correct. 10 on the graph. And the graph of the logarithm function is decreasing. No, it is increasing. So option C is correct, and others are wrong. And question number 51, they have given the real to real defined by f of x equal to x square plus 1. Then the pre-images of 17 and 3. Arey Baba. So it means x square plus 1 equal to 17. X square plus 1 is equal to minus 3. X square equal to 16. X equal to plus or minus 4. X square equal to minus 4. There is no solution for this one. Second one is empty. First one is minus 4 plus 4. So I hope you understood this one. 4 minus 4 empty. 51 is C answer. And 50. So here they are asking the solution, greatest integer x square minus 5x plus 6, x minus 3, x minus 2 equal to 0. Then solutions are 3 and 2. So when you will get the answer 2 from 2, when you will get the 3 answer of 2 open interval 4. Greatest integer of open interval 4 is nothing but 3 only. 5, 3.9 is again a 3. 3.8 is again a 3. Up to 3 to 3.9 you can substitute, you will get 3 because of that open interval. Option B. And question number 48, here it is a repeated question. 3a plus 2b ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 27 ಬರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. A value ಏನದ, B value ಏನದ, here they have given. So question number 48. So question number 48, here 1 2 3 9 5 6 7 3. For example, 3 into 7 plus 2 into 3, 21 plus 6, 27. I saw. So all element has to be defined. So this is the only possibility. You can check others are not. So 48 is clear. This one very easiest. They have given f of x value 3x square minus 5, g of x value x by x square plus 1, and they are asking g of f. So what is g of f? So g of f means what? G of f. Here g of f. So g of x is nothing but x by x square plus 1. So g of x are f of x divided by f of x square plus 1. So you have to just substitute the f of x value in that function. You will get automatically option B is answer. Substitute f of x now. Bus. And next question number 46. They have given x square and root x. Which of the following is not true? So whenever it is f of x square, g of x is root x. F of g of 2. So f of g of x number. So f of g of x is root x square. So in root only positive are possible. Then f of g over, so only positive numbers are possible. So here it is negative is there, then it is not possible. It means f of g root x whole square is there. So in root x should be positive. So here it is negative. This is the shortcut method. Otherwise you can substitute and take trial and error. Answer will you get. So this answer should be minus 4 anachi, but plus 4 hai. So this is totally wrong. Question number 46 is repeated. Here f of minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus pi, means in this function I am substituting. So next they have given this value is minus pi b minus a. Next f of 3, f of 3, 3a plus b. F of 3 is 3, 3 equal to 3a plus b. And you can substitute here. What is that? B is equal to a minus 5. So 3 is equal to 3a plus a minus 5. 4a minus 5. Then 4a is equal to 8. A is equal to 2. So once you will get a value 2, 2 minus 3, sorry, 2 minus 5, sorry, 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. So answer is 2 and minus 3. Option D is correct. Question number 44, domain of the function. So f plus z, it means this is f, this is z. Then you need to take their intersection. First find log 10 1 minus x in the denominator. So 1 minus x should be greater than 0, 1 is greater than x. It means x is less than 1, 1 to infinity. This is the one reason. And here, so log 1 minus 0, it becomes log 1 in the denominator. So this equal to 0. So it has not be equal to 0. Then x value is never be equal to 0. So I hope x is not equal to 0 hona chahiye, or x value is less than 1. So x value is less than 1 means what? Minus infinity to 1 minus 0. This is the domain of this one. And root of x plus 2, x greater than minus 2. So this is means x plus 2 is greater than 0, x is greater than minus 2, minus 2 to infinity. This is the solution. Less than 1, this is 1, this is minus 2. Less than 1 means what? Here, open, and greater than minus 2. So these are the solutions. And in this common reason is 0 is not there. So solution is this much. It means minus 2 to 1 minus 0. This is the answer. So, or you can use that minus 2 to 0, next union 0 to 1. Option minus 2 they have taken, it is closed. Yes, correct, it is closed because it is root upar hai na. This is the answer, and this is very easiest. You can do it. The number of elements in set A is P, the number of elements in set B is Q, and the number of elements in A cross B is 7. Then P square plus Q square. If A cross B contains 7 elements, either P is 1, Q is equal to 7, Q is equal to 7, sorry, P is equal to 7, Q is equal to 1. It means P square plus Q square, 1 square plus 7 square. 50 आएगा, 1 plus 49, 50, और 49 plus 1, both are 50. So very easiest. So I hope this is the answer. 42 repeated है 2022. Next, this is very easiest. Minus 1 is less than 1. 2 in between 1 and 3. 4 greater than 3. Then f of minus 1 plus f of 2, f of 4. Use this function for minus 1. 3 into minus 1. For 2, second function 2 square. For 4, use 2x. 2 into 4. Minus 3 plus 4, 8. 12 minus 3, 9. Option B is correct. If the set contains 7 elements and set Y contain 8 elements, F is mapping from 7 to 8 elements, then the number of bijection. If both are equal, only bijections are possible. So no bijection. So it is 0 clearly. And question number 39, it is in the denominator and it should be strictly greater than 0. So minus 6 has to be come, and minus 1. What are those two number? Multiplication and division. uh, Addition. Minus 1 ಆಗಬೇಕಾ and multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 6 ಆಗಬೇಕು. What are those two number? Can anybody? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2. Yes, x square minus 3 plus 2, it means x plus 2. X equal to 3, x equal to minus 2, it means minus 2 to 3 solutions. 1 minute, these are the solution. X minus 3, x plus 2 greater than 0. View a weaker method. Minus 3 minus 2 3, both are plus minus plus. I hope you should watch wavy curved method. Go and watch in my channel. So greater than 0 means plus. Minus infinity to minus 2, union 3 to infinity, union 3 to infinity. So both are open. It should be open. Sorry, here it is the greatest integer na. So whatever you can substitute, answer should be minus 2 open, and 3 should be comes. So it means open 3. 3 is not answer. So answer should be 4. It means closed 4, open minus 2. It means until you can get the answer minus 2, that is closed enough. Minus 2 answer will be minus 2 only, and 4 to infinity is the answer. So I hope this is clear. Question number 39, A is the answer. So minus 2 is top, and it is started from 3, then it is closed interval 4. And next question number, this one. This is very easiest. X is not a positive integer. Okay, x is not a positive integer. It means I plus, and A is mapping to R. F of x is equal to 2x divided by x minus 1. So here integer is not there. For example, 2 is not there. 2 into 2, 2 minus 1. So 4. The answer will come 4. And in the range, real is there. In that 4 is there. So codomain is real number. Range is not equal to real number. What is range? 4 is remaining. So one example is enough to prove. So these both are not equal. Therefore, it is not onto. And what about 1 1? Yes, it is a linear function and increasing there, constantly increasing. Hence, it is a 1 1 function. It is a 1 1, but not a onto. This is repeated. And relation R 1 2 3 is defined by 1 1. Only 1 1 is there. It means reflexive and symmetric. Transitive is not there because wait, it is not there. 1 2 3, it is not reflexive because symmetry. What 2 2 is not there, 3 3 is not there. So, and what about transitive? Yes, only one element is there and it is not any pair of element. Symmetric and transitive. This is the answer, not this. Here they have given 2 to infinity is the domain and real number. Then the function defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Here use perfect formula 2 into 2x plus 4 plus 1. So this is equal to y. Find the x value. Convert x into y. Convert into y. Then find domain. Very easiest. Then this becomes what? X minus 2 whole square plus 1 comes this side. It becomes y minus 1. X minus 2 is equal to y minus 1. X minus 2 equal to root of y minus 1. X equal to 2 plus y minus 1. This is what x value. Find this domain, you will get a range. So domain means y minus 1. Y minus 1 should be greater than equal to 0. Y is greater than equal to 1. So here the y belong, that is range. 1 to infinity. This is the answer. So first, how to find the range? First, convert it into y, then find domain. Sir, why like this? Because if f is x to y, this is domain. This is what domain. This is what a range. If it is inverted, if I inverse it, x become y, y become x. Now y is what? Domain. This is what? A range. So you need range of this function, then find the inverse ka domain. That's it. Yes or no? These are opposite. And next question. N of A is two elements. Total number of possible elements. What is the total number of possible relation from set A to B? Total number of possible element m into n is equal to 1024. 1024 you can write 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power m into n. Already they have given m value n. So if base are same, powers also same, then n value is equal to 5. I hope this is clear. And next question. So here they are asking the domain. So you know already if square root of function is there. First remember the rules. Square root of f of x is there. F of x is greater than equal to 0. 1 by f of x is there. F of x is strictly greater than 0. Log of f of x is there. Then f of x is greater than 0. Only positive integral. 1 by log of f of x is there. F of x is greater than 0. F of x is not equal to 1. Because denominator never be equal to 1. So x square minus 7x plus 12 greater than equal to 0, find out matrix. You will get the inverse answer, that is use the wavy curved method and tell me the answer in comment box. I hope you can do it. And here it is the x less than or equal to 5 and natural number. How many elements are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And B is the quadratic equation, has only two solutions. I don't know what are those. Two elements, five elements. And then the number of onto function. You know, if second set contain only two elements, formula is 2 to the power m minus 2. 2 to the power 5 minus 2. 32 minus 2. It become 30. Use that formula, otherwise it is grouping. So one 5-minute video is there. You can see in that what is grouping method to find onto function. Next, this is also repeated. This is also again repeated. Repeated means same pattern. You can go and watch. Peace. Set having 6 distinct elements. Number of distinct functions from A to A which are not bijection. Okay. N of A 6. N of A 6. Function is from A to A. Then m is equal to n case. How many total functions are possible? 6 to the power 6. How many bijective functions are possible? 6 factorial. Remove that 6 factorial, you will get a non-bijections. Not bijections. These are the not bijection function. And next, f is mapping from R to R. This is very easiest. F of x equal to mod x plus x. G of x equal to mod x minus x. Then they are asking f of g of x for less than 0. So f of g of x, modulus of g of x plus g of x. Modulus of g of x is mod of x minus x plus g of x is mod of x minus x. So mod of x is again minus x plus minus x minus x. So I hope you are understanding that if x less than 0, mod x ka value minus x plus x if x is greater than 0. I hope you are understanding this one. So now this minus x minus 2x plus minus 2x, and it opens with the negative mod, it becomes 2x plus minus 2x minus 2x, answer is minus 4x. So you have to remember this pattern. Next question, f of x is equal to 8x cube, g of x equal to x to the power 1 by 3, x to the power 1 by 3, and they are asking f of g of x. F of dabba will be 8 dabba cube. So in that dabba g of x is there, here also g of x. 8 into what is g of x value, x to the power 1 by 3. So these two cancel, then answer will be 8x. F of g of x, answer will be 8x. And question number this one, root of 9 minus x square. Before find the range of this function, we should find the what? This is y equal to square root of 9 minus x square. We should find the domain of the function. What is the domain of the function? So 9 minus x square should be greater than equal to 0. 9 is greater than equal to x square. X square is less than equal to 9. It means x is less than equal to minus 3, greater than equal to minus 3, less than plus 3. So make it a f of x. If x is minus 3 to 3, then what about f of x? That is range. This is what a range. Find here, make it x square, minimum value of square is 0 and it become 9, and make minus x square, it become minus 9 and maximum value 0, and add both side 9, 9 minus 9, 9 minus x square, 9, 0, 9 minus x square is less than equal to 9. Take a root for this one, root of 9 minus x square, root of 9 is 3, 0. Then range is 0 to 3. That's it. I hope it is clear. Next, f of x equal to x square, x raised to 4. This is x square, this is x raised to 4. X to the power even is there, u save. X to the power odd is there, n save. So what is that n save? This is x cube, x raised to 5, x raised to 7. So x raised to 5, x raised to 7, x cube, and x are what? 1 1 and on 2. But x square is not 1 1, not on 2. You have to remember x to the power even is there, x to the power even, not on 2. F is mapping from real to real. F of x equal to 2x plus 6. This is y, 2x plus 6. 2x equal to y minus 6. X equal to y by 2 minus 3. This is f inverse of y. Y minus 2 minus 3. F inverse of x is x by 2 minus 3. Option A is correct. Here n of A is 4, n of B is 5. Then the number of injective mapping. It means m less than n, npm 5p4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by 4. It means 5 minus 4. I hope you know the NPR formula. N factorial, n minus r factorial. So 5 factorial, 5 minus 4 factorial. It becomes 5 factorial, answer is 120. And this one. First find the f of 2. F of 2, 2 by 2 square plus 1, 5. Then find f of 2 by 5. 2 by 5, 4 by 25 plus 1. 2 by 5, 4 plus 25 by 25. 5 ones are, 5 fives are. 2 divided by 1 divided by 29 divided by 5. So denominator of the denominator comes to numerator. 10 divided by 29. And here they have given the domain x belongs to minus 1 to 1. And find the domain of this one. We can do it. Find the domain of this one and take the intersection. That's it. I hope you can find 3 plus 4x minus 4x square is greater than equal to 0. It means 4x square minus 4x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. Use wavy curve method. Use wavy curve method. Which is that wavy curve method? You know, go and watch please and find the intersection between them. Now 1 by x is there, real is there, then it is not defined because 1 by 0 not defined. 0 belongs to R. You should write f minus 0 to R minus 0. And this one is very easiest. You find f of 3.84, substitute it, you will get the answer. This one is 2015. And root of cos x, and cos x is greater than 0. So here the cos x is positive first and fourth. So I hope 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi it is positive, yes or no? And 0 to 5 by 2 is also positive. It means option D is correct. Option D is correct because 0 to 5 by 2 union 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, or option C is also correct. Why minus pi by 2 to pi by 2? Because sometimes minus pi by 2 is here and plus pi by 2 here, and he is measuring from this side or this side is confusion. So because of that, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is also better answer, or all are correct, the domain of the function, because where it is positive you need to check. That's my only. And the answer is it's union. They are taking separate fourth and first quadrant you should take. Option D is correct. And you can do this one. This is for your work. F is 1 1 or not. F is mapping from n to n. Please check. If n is odd, 1 plus 1 by 2 आएगा 1. If n is even, 2 by 2 is also 1. Then it is not a 1 1. Not 1 1. But it is onto because every element get exist. And check this relation, and e to the power x. It is domain is minus infinity to infinity. Range is 0 to 1. You should remember this one. Domain, and this is range, and graph cuts at 0 comma 1. You can remember this one. The point 1 comma 0 they have given is always the graph of the function. That is galat. The range of the function is set of all positive number. Yes, very good. The for the large negative values of x, the function is very close to 0. Very good. Large value of x, this one, very close to x, like this. Clear? Option C is not true. They are asking also not correct. So this one is for you. Find value very easiest. 2x plus 3 is equal to y to 3. X is equal to y minus 3 by 2. It means x minus 3 by 2. Option. Which one? Option B. And you can do this one very easiest. 11 also are given to solve you.